Hello guys, this is the second part of the two set part videos. This is a app that will tell you about the symptoms, preventions, vaccines about coronavirus, and you can even play the coronavirus quiz in the end. So we have already did all the designing, but there was also something left. Put the notify on the main screen. It is one of the non-visible components, so you cannot see it. Now plus the vertical 5 arrangement and change the button 11. First the visible set vertical and 5s are visible to true and vertical arrangement 1 dot visible to false. Then button 11 is yes button. Only change rename. Click on rename and change the two buttons, yes button and no button. Now go to the blocks section and then select button. When button 1 dot click, set vertical arrangement 1 dot visible to false and vertical arrangement 2 dot visible to true. Copy paste it 3 more times. After doing this, set vertical arrangement, set this to vertical arrangement 3, this to button 2, button 3 and button 4. Then vertical arrangement 3, vertical arrangement 4 and vertical arrangement 5. Vertical arrangement 5, not this. This should be button 4 only. Then copy paste this 4 more times. These are the buttons for the back home button. So set vertical element 5 dot visible to false and set vertical element 2 dot visible to true. This is button number 5. So when button 5 dot click, set vertical arrangement 2 dot visible to false and set vertical arrangement 1 visible to true. Now do the same for button 6, button 7 and button 8. Set this to vertical arrangement 3, vertical arrangement 4 and vertical arrangement 5 and vertical arrangement 5. Set this to false, true, put it here and this here, this here, this here, this here and this here. Now after doing this, we are going to code for the quiz button. So for doing that, we will do this. First we are going to create a variable, initialize global name and set the variable name to score and then set its value to 0. Variable is actually element in which you store a value and you can even change the value of it. So now we have changed the button names. Okay, so when yes button 1 dot click, set global score and take this block, go to match, set global score, set global score plus 1. We will plus the value means you will plus the score if you click on yes button 1 and copy paste the yes button 3 more times. And after doing this, change the text of all the buttons to yes button 2, yes button 3 and then yes button 4. Now we can now copy paste this again, set this to yes no button and set this value to 0. Copy paste it 3 more times. And after doing this, put it here, here and here. Now set this to no button 2, no button 3 and no button 4. Now how can we show that what is your score? So now if you go back to the design and make this visible, this one to visible off, you will see there is a show score button number 9. So, and sorry guys, this is not button number 8. This is actually back home is actually button number 10. For the screen, it's actually button number 10. So, the show score button is button number 9. So, when button number 9 dot click and then you will take out a notifier, it will notify you that what is your message. Okay, so put 2 text components on the main screen, 1 and 2. Then set the message to get global score and the title to your score is and the button text to OK. Now we need to code for the last button, the reset button. So go here and after doing this, click on reset. It is button number 8. So go here, come here, when button number 8 dot click, set global score to 0. Sorry guys, I have done a little mistake here. So set no button, set no button, first no button, set global score the plus 1 and set first yes button, set global score to 0. Thank you so much for watching this video guys, and be safe and have a nice day. Bye.